hands. The sun is already warming my shoulders, so it's time to experiment. I've got a sport kayak behind me and I'm ready to hit the water. So now let's choose a kayak for me. Okay, it's my favorite color, so let's go!
Kayaks are not just boats, they are my best friends on the water. Kayaking is a real pleasure and adventure for me.
Wow, it is so unusual for me. It's such a good experience.
Every time I go out on the water, I feel as if I am becoming a part of nature. The water tickles my palms, the breeze caresses my face, and the kayak glides gracefully over the waves. It's such a great way to relieve stress and enjoy the moment.
I still don't understand how does it work. It is very hard. It is so cool. I like it.
One of the best things about kayaking is the closeness to nature. You can see aquatic vegetation, fish, even birds flying gracefully over the water. Sometimes I even saw dolphins playing happily in the sea.
I'm already so tired. I'm in the middle of the river and just relaxing and waiting when my arms will relax also. Just look around. Amazing view.
In addition, kayaking gives you the opportunity to explore new places. I'm always interested in discovering new water routes and learning about the history and culture of the different places I go to. Whether I'm paddling on a river, lake, or sea, kayaking always brings me joy and satisfaction. It is my hobby that leaves me with unforgettable impressions and pleasant memories.
It's such a nice weather today. Very sunny. Wow, it's incredible experience for me. I am very happy to try this kind of sport. It was so exciting. Now kayaking will be definitely my summer pastime. Thank you for swimming with me. Bye!